Hello. This is Chris Angel original trick. The mind through the card, mind reading. We're going to perform it to you now. Just look at the card, please. Miss it also. Look at the deck of the cards and let your mind see what's inside. I'm gonna flip all the cards in the deck and tell me what's the card, what's the color of the card that you register in your mind. But before you're gonna tell me, I'm gonna read first what is that card in your mind. Did you get the card in your mind? Once again, show it to the camera. Once again. Do you have the card now in your mind? Okay. We're gonna go next. We're gonna reveal the card. I think this is the card. Is the card? Is this the card? Oh, okay, this is the card. It's King of Clubs. That's pretty amazing, but pretty tricky. Okay.
Ano mo dyan yung